The iPad mini 8 is about to shatter every limit we thought existed for small tablets, rewriting what portability and performance truly mean. Apple's tiniest tablet is stepping into 2025 with the kind of power that makes even laptops nervous. And this time, it's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. For years, the Mini was the quiet one in Apple's lineup, often overshadowed by the Pro and Air models. But the iPad mini 8 is Apple's bold declaration that small can still be mighty. Imagine holding the future in your hand, because this little beast is rumored to pack the same M2 chip that powers the MacBook Air and iPad Pro, unleashing console-grade gaming, pro-level editing, and lightning-fast multitasking in something smaller than a notebook. And if whispers from the supply chain are true, Apple might even introduce an M3-powered variant, which would make this the most powerful compact tablet the world has ever seen. The display is rumored to get a serious leap too. With a 120Hz ProMotion Liquid Retina XDR panel, thinner bezels, over 1,000 nits of brightness, and HDR that makes every frame pop off the glass. From binge-watching to digital art to professional video editing, this screen will blur the line between creativity and immersion. But the iPad mini 8 isn't just about visuals, it's about how you interact with them. Leaks hint at compatibility with the new Apple Pencil 3, which could feature magnetic charging, improved latency, and haptic feedback that lets artists feel every stroke like it's real paper. Whether you're sketching a concept, signing a deal, or taking notes in class, this will be the most natural digital writing experience ever created. And speaking of design, Apple's attention to detail hasn't gone anywhere. The Mini 8 is expected to feature an aerospace-grade aluminum chassis with ultra-thin curved edges, a matte back finish to resist fingerprints, and a feather-light profile that still feels solid and premium in the hand. Color options may include midnight blue, graphite, and a new champagne gold that screams luxury without shouting for attention. On the camera front, Apple is stepping it up again. The rear sensor is expected to jump to 12 megapixels with smart HDR, improved low-light clarity, and faster processing, while the front-facing ultra-wide lens will feature Center Stage 2.0, tracking your movement more fluidly during calls or streams. Imagine FaceTiming with DSLR-like clarity, your face always perfectly framed even when you move. It's the perfect content creator companion, whether you're vlogging, teaching online, or attending meetings on the go. Power management is also getting a major overhaul. Thanks to a redesigned stacked battery and M2's energy efficiency, users could see up to 15 hours of heavy use on a single charge. Add Thunderbolt 4 USB-C connectivity for faster data transfers, external display support, and potentially MagSafe wireless charging, and the iPad mini 8 becomes more than just a tablet. It's a creative hub that fits in your palm. And for the first time ever, reverse wireless charging might appear, letting you juice up your AirPods or Apple Watch right from the back of your Mini. That's convenience redefined. But all this innovation doesn't come cheap. Early estimates suggest the base model will start around $649, stretching up to $999 for the higher-end variants. But Apple knows exactly what it's doing. It's not just selling specs, it's selling freedom, power, and identity. The iPad mini 8 isn't made for everyone. It's made for those who think differently. The traveler who edits photos mid-flight, the artist sketching in a cafe, the student who wants more power without lugging around a laptop, this is their perfect device. Every element has been tuned to perfection. The tactile buttons, the immersive quad speaker setup with spatial audio support, the sharper microphones, and the redesigned cooling system that keeps performance steady even under heavy load. But Apple isn't stopping there. With iPadOS 19, AI integration will take a massive leap forward. Expect smarter photo recognition, real-time transcription for meetings, background object removal in photos, and even dynamic wallpaper animations that react to your environment. The synergy between the iPad mini 8 and Apple's upcoming Vision Pro headset could also open a new frontier, where the Mini acts as both controller and display for mixed reality experiences. That's right, you might soon use your Mini as a creative control surface inside AR worlds. And when it comes to gaming, the iPad mini 8 is set to be a pocket powerhouse. With Metal 3 optimization, the M2's GPU will deliver console-quality visuals and frame rates that redefine mobile gaming. Titles like Resident Evil Village, No Man's Sky, and Assassin's Creed Mirage will run smoother than ever, with high dynamic range lighting and lifelike reflections that make you forget you're playing on a tablet. Pair that with new controller support and low-latency Bluetooth audio, and you've got a portable gaming rig that fits inside your jacket. The iPad mini 8 isn't trying to replace your laptop or your phone. It's building its own identity as the perfect in-between device. You can take it anywhere, do anything, and never feel like you're compromising. Whether you're creating, learning, or just relaxing, it adapts instantly to what you need it to be. Imagine pulling it out at a cafe. People glance over, thinking it's just another tablet, until they see what it can do. That's the kind of quiet confidence Apple builds into every curve, every gesture, every line of software. This is minimalism meeting might. Apple's design language continues to evolve towards simplicity with purpose, and the iPad mini 8 is the ultimate expression of that philosophy. It's for the people who believe technology should empower, not overwhelm. It's for those who want to travel light but still carry the world in their hands. And it's for the dreamers, creators, and professionals who never stop moving. Apple understands that the future of tech isn't about making things bigger. It's about making them smarter, faster, and more connected. The Mini 8 embodies that idea perfectly. Even its rumored launch strategy fits Apple's playbook. The reveal could happen at Apple's March 2025 event, alongside the new iPad Air and accessories. Pre-orders could go live within days, and judging by the buzz already building, the demand will skyrocket. Once reviewers get their hands on it, expect headlines like "The Mini that outsmarts the Pro" or "Apple's most surprising iPad yet." And they won't be wrong. Because when you combine a powerful M2 chip, 120 Hz ProMotion display, and all-day battery inside a form factor this compact, it's not evolution, it's a rebirth. A rebirth of the small giant. Apple is reminding us that power doesn't have to come in a massive package. Sometimes the most revolutionary ideas fit right in your hand. The iPad mini 8 represents the purest expression of Apple's design vision, elegant, efficient, and unapologetically powerful. It's not shouting to be noticed. It's quietly redefining what's possible. The world of portable computing is changing fast, and the Mini 8 is Apple's answer to that change. It's the bridge between your smartphone's simplicity and your MacBook's muscle. It's the tool that makes you more creative, more mobile, and more connected to the things that matter. This is the future of compact tech, where speed meets style, and every tap, swipe, and gesture feels alive. The iPad Mini 8 isn't just a device, it's a statement. A statement that small doesn't mean weak, that mobility doesn't mean compromise, and that innovation doesn't have to scream to be heard. This is Apple's masterpiece in miniature form, a tablet so capable and refined that it redefines what we expect from technology. Whether you're editing a 4K film, sketching a dream, gaming with console-level performance, or just watching a movie in bed, the experience will be seamless, beautiful, and deeply personal. The iPad Mini 8 is proof that great things truly do come in small packages. And when it finally launches, it won't just compete, it will dominate. Because this is more than an update. It's the dawn of a new era for portable computing. The iPad Mini 8, small in size, massive in power, and built to inspire a generation that demands everything, everywhere, all at once.